Today I thought I'd use some Legos to talk about fractions, seeing that somebody ate my candy bars. So I thought we'd have a little fun. If you have some Legos, you can do this too. First, I took one Lego that has 8 dots on it. This is one whole Lego, kind of like one whole brownie. Now, if I put 2 Legos on top of it, like this, the pink one is 1/2 of the white one, and the red one is 1/2. See that? There's still 8 dots at the top. That's how I know when I take them apart. It's half of the white one. These two are the same size. See that? They have to be the same size, 2 equal parts. See that? And when I put them on there, they make up 1/2. Now, is there a different way to make 1/2? Does it always have to be a square like this? Well, take a look at what I found in my Lego box. Look at this. This is a different size than this, isn't it? So it looks like this one is bigger, doesn't it? But it's not really bigger, it's just a different shape. There's still 4 dots on this one, and there's still 4 dots on this one. So I know they are the same size, they have the same space, it's just a different shape. Because when I go back to my one whole Lego, look what happens when I put it in there. It's still half of that big Lego. And look, this one is still half as well. So this takes up the same amount of space as my one whole Lego. I just made it in a different shape. And when I put these halves on top, they are still all the same size. Look at that. See that? They all take up the same size. So halves can look different depending on what shape they are. Now, if I take one of these little ones and I were to break each one of these in half, do you remember what I would have? That's right, I would have 1/4. So this is 1 part out of 4 equal parts, which means I would need 4 of these to go across the top. And I know what you're talking. You know what I'm talking about, because I know some of you are very good Lego builders. Look at that. Actually, I'm going to put this one over here so you can see it. Look at that. I have 4 Legos that equal the same as that first one whole Lego I started with. See that? And I know I can put them a different way too, can't I? I can put them going. Let's see. I can put them going this way as well too, can't I? And I still take up the same amount of space. See that? So each one of these little ones that has 2 dots is 1/4. The one with 4 dots is 1/2. Make another one here. These are halves. And these are halves too. See that? So today, I thought maybe you could make your own fraction snake, just like I did. I cut out some shapes. You just get some paper and cut out some circles, or some rectangles, or some squares, or some triangles, and fold them in half or in fourths so that they're equal parts, and then label the parts. I have 2 equal parts, so each part is a half. On my rectangle, I have 2 equal parts. Each part is 1/2. My square, I decided to cut it into fourths, so I have 4 equal parts. And then my triangle, I decided to cut it down the middle. and I have 2 equal parts. So see if you can make a snake and post it on your portfolios for me to see. And just have some fun. And if you have Legos, have some fun with your Legos and see what you can make. Great job, everybody. Have a good day.